Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today, last day of the working week on Friday. Yes, Friday, August the 19th. 2022. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. In this newspaper, we have also an additional. Let me show you with the additional with a lot of Sudokus. We have here 7 extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Well, I've already collected 500 um, 4 stars Sudokus at this moment, so it's a milestone. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars. They call it Cijferblok in Dutch. We have also one with 1 star. The binary, the last one, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this light. Yes, this light Sudoku. And this will be number. Let me focus and zoom in the Sudoku light. This will be number 5038. Yeah, 5038. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 9 big squares. Each big square has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4 is 36. So 36 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But this one is a light Sudoku. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, the 1 star Sudoku in additional has 27 printed digits, so it should be easier than the 1 star puzzle. For the 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, I think this one I will complete it maybe 30 minutes, 13, maybe 12 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about that? Let me see. A lot of 7s. Can I do something with the 7? No, the 8 in the last column. The 8 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle, a row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then it will be difficult with the 8 now. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column? So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. The 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, we have a 6 in this third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright, we have here 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. We have a 4 in the last row. The 4 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Then yeah, 2 missing numbers here in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And an 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Then. Let me see which number can I pick. Here we have 1 missing number in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have 1 number left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2, and the 3 is missing. Then. We have 2 missing numbers here in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Well, we have a 2 in this big square. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 it goes there. All right. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. A 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Don't you need to be faster than 50 minutes? And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku Heavy. Yeah, until then, bye-bye for now.